Speaking of very cool, China has grew a plant on the moon. That's a pretty wild story. It's never been done before. It marks the first time a plant has ever been grown on the moon. They delivered a number of different species of plants to the moon in order to see if anything would take. And it was actually a cotton plant that sprouted some leaves.
How did they get it there?
Spaceship, Will.
They didn't land. They probably sent a probe, right? Something?
Yeah, they put a probe, of course.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, how dare you? You thought that flew under the radar?
Well, I thought
Just
like you
chilling
had
on the
to
moon?
plant it, like literally under the soil of the moon.
Yeah, they became the first nation to land a spacecraft on the far side of the moon. The lunar rover carried among its payload a small biosphere that housed 6 life forms, including cotton seeds. The problem was it didn't last very long. So that they got the sprout, and then it was really cold, as it would be on the dark side of the moon. Yeah, shout out Dark Side of the Moon. Obviously, people know what I'm talking about there. But nonetheless, it showcases maybe the robustness of the cotton plant and the potential future in which we are harvesting the moon, Will. Or, I don't know, living there. If you get it heated up. Why is it always Mars with Elon Musk? What can't we do the moon? Or does he want to do the moon first?
It's most habitable.
Is that a word, Will?
I don't know.
Okay.
It's
I like that.
the easiest to, I guess.
But more than the moon, wouldn't you set up like a really...
It is closer, the moon.
Yeah, wouldn't you set up a really cool spot on the moon first and then Mars is next? Maybe that's part of the plan.
Yeah.
Because he's got his new spaceships and stuff. It's probably part of the plan. They brought up potato seeds, cotton seeds, yeast, fruit fly eggs, and the common weed. Anyhow, the cotton seed fared the best. And I guess it granted them some degree of insight on the fact that, hey, you got some fertility going on up there on the moon. Now, are you prepared to go to the moon, Will?
I would go.
You're ready.
If there was a return trip?
No, it's a one-way ticket, brother. You're dead.
That's tough.
Yeah, you're not going.
Yeah.
Anyway, plants on the moon. It's a thing. It happened. China did it as well. Kind of interesting. Yeah. They're into the moon. Everyone's in. Is space coming back? Do we have a space comeback? Elon's got his space talk. China's interested. You got the big rocket that came out, stainless steel all over, I mean, whatever that.
It's really shiny.
It's so shiny. That's the takeaway.
Yeah.
Is space cool again?
I think so.
All right.
Yeah. There you go.
Well, you said it. If Will said it, then it happens to be true.